So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to record audio on Visme. So once Visme's opened up, make sure you go to the left-hand side of your screen and go to this media tab right here, right in between data and theme colors, press on media. Now the three different options are videos, embed online content, and add audio. Obviously for this, we want to record our audio, so we're going to press on add audio. And there's a bunch of different options. You can upload audio, you can view audio that you already have, or what you can also do for this video is press on record. And once you're here at the bottom of your screen, there is this red record button. If you were to go ahead and press it, it's going to record your voice. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to go ahead and say 3, 2, 1. I'll go ahead and press allow at the top right. If you want to use my microphone, I'll go ahead and press allow. This is my example audio. Hopefully this works. Go ahead now if you want to view it. I'm not too sure if you can hear this, but if you can, I'll go ahead and play it. Allow. This is my example audio. Hopefully this works. Allow. Not sure if you could hear that, but it wasn't the greatest. But nonetheless, if you like it, you can go ahead and press on save to library, or you can cancel it if you don't like it and always record again. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can record audio here on Visme. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.